Who be first? I started off. Listen.
Ransom shit, if I ain't handling no dough, you get your dog snatched like animal control. Cans it'll blow, spit the pipe accurate, and I stays on the metal like a magnet. Cause nigga, I ain't having it, so I keep the peace on the streets like a civil rights at maximum capacity. Rabbitry, couple O's of the hydro, and be blown like Chicago. Rolling rolls with my eyes low, and Patron like I'm 5-0. Chrome 24s on the Tahoe. A lot of punchline rappers in the hood, dog, but I'm the hot one. I ain't average, I'm good, jaw, and I pop something. If you slack, you cook, dog. I'm with the shotgun like I'm snapping the football. My action a crook, dog. Cash, I'ma blow. You floss? See if you can pop a tag on your toe. Nigga, I ain't playing with you dudes. I'm the hardest rank that is sitting cannon on your roof like an army tank. Boom! Turn his dome into coleslaw. I be firing till the sirens and patrol cars. And I'm all about the dough, y'all. So I'm getting cash, skinny bags when I post raw. Yeah, those flaws. And I show off. Try to bling with more rings than a phone call. Broke laws, do whatever for that gravy champ. So I cop weight and got base like a Navy camp. Them haters amp, they ready to try sing. Cause the herb I serve got hair like Don King, yeah. I got bling, I'm letting my time chill. Watch got the rock face, yeah, I gave it the ice grill. Ew, I'm proceeding to shine. Hustle strips till it's G's in my palm. J-Dose, I'm the reason for crowds. But I keep DEs like a defensive line. Yeah, I be clutching the ego, I'm cutting the ego. Something like T.O. Call me Coach Reed. I blow tree, get hide in a nosebleed. Homie, if you owe cheese, if not bricks, prick shit, then I'm at the quarters like OT. Know me, nigga, I'm a true soldier. You a rider? It's about time you pull over. Cause I'm a motherfucking tool holder. Pop rounds and knock down bricks like a bulldozer. Nigga, Gideons. I said, niggas not fucking with me. I don't know what's up with them. Like it's sweet, it ain't shit for me to knuckle them. Or the heat, the chrome 4/5 buckle them. Headshots to put them to sleep, then I'm talking them. Hit them, I don't fuck with them. Next nigga say my name, it's a rap for him. Ain't whoever fuck with them. I ride, I don't ever hesitate to buck with them. I'm side me, Twin Desert Eagles. Oh shit. And I'ma ride till the motherfucking wheels gone. And you to take the dick down till my hills gone. Hustle on my children. Even got connects with a dot. They hit a spot till the motherfucking pills gone. Niggas is still drawn. Like this a warning saying bricks out your mouth is something you can get killed on. I'm on my kill drone. Niggas play gorilla when bananas in the clip. There's nothing to get them pilled on. My weed's still strong. I smoke a dub of that shit 7 o'clock this morning. Nigga, I'm still on. I hide your shit. Texting the G. Gang straight from Jamaica, right next to the beach. Sheesh, give him some shots in his neck when he sleep. Show him the real true mean and the rest in the peace. I'm the hottest youngin' out in the streets. I ain't only talking about rant. I be moving crank with the heat. Back block with the gat cock clearing the beef. Taking shots like I'm Aaron McKee. Taking blocks, bagging more than a key. Robbing with coke, pumping with weed. Grinding for who? I do it for me. 245s on me like it's clothing free. Oh, yeah, I'm everything you thought it would be. A rowdy low youngin' that be selling quarters for cheap. Niggas be hitting my phone 7 orders a week. But I need to flip all that in order to eat. It's bricks. I'm harder than that shit that's under your feet. You flossing? Call me Dawson. I'll put him under the creek. I'm riding. I ain't scared of police. I'm in the Bonnie with the shotty right up under the seat. Pete. I catch bodies when it come to the beats. Couple homies when it come to these freaks. You think you're resting in peace. You think it's sweet and tall reach for the peace. Then I point the Desert Eagles peeps. Let the bullets release until his head start melting the streets. Little puppy can't mess with the beast. I'm way higher than the heat. I wave dollars, make cows deceased. Getting bread representing the East. Capiche? I ain't from Kansas City, but your fiends call me the chief. I bring crack to their homes like priests. And when I brawl, I bring my boys to the yard like Khalees with shells that's the same size as my sneaks. Or I can put my hands up and put you to sleep with face shots that'll knock out your teeth. I'm a cold gun, don't like swine, but I'm addicted to beef. I box sharp like just pants with a crease. I'm on some other shit. My boys wild and they be popping the leash. And stay strapped like a nigga that be popping the freak. It costs to be a boss, I ain't get it for free. I'm too fly to be considered a flea. Listen, I'm putting you deep. Nigga, I load my clips up to the T. Bro, Cannon repping WP. Who more together than me? You can get burnt to another degree. Tapping pockets and jamming niggas ain't nothing to me. You see? I point nines, but no, I ain't one of them 3. You can call me Hurricane, how I be blowing tree. Pounds, I be puffing until I can't see. All smoking and toting, doing my damn thing. I match gank with whatever my man bring. Sex, money, and drugs, and flip like a handspring. Nicks, dobs, and dubs, I do the hand-in-hand thing. Sitting, hustling from the muscle like a hamstring. Touch your fucking money. That's something small, too. That's small.
Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. Always just me after blowing herb to the brain. I'm just that high, just that fly. Tell by my eyes, I'm puffing that lie. If it's that dope y'all need, I got that get high. But if you scared of heights, don't smoke my weed. Look, I hold that eeg. If I put it to you, dog, it'll either shatter your bones or put you through a wall. You survive, I'll pop to you dead. Hey, waking up with wings and a ring on the top of your head. Profit is bread. Homie, I'm flipping out in double. More money, more problems, and nigga, I'm in trouble. Make writtens out of hustle. Need cash when I spit a rhyme. So hot, get a heat rash in the wintertime. Hitting crimes, gripping off like throttles. Sword, shotgun, dual exhaust pipe nozzle. Floss with them goggles, CL lit as well. I'm a hustler, I can sell spree wells to Latrell. Yeah, getting cells, 16s, and I'm moving O's. My rocks got the street smoking like sewer holes. Tulip blow for that cheddar, get the flame on. Leave the crime scene wetter than a rainstorm. Lanes drawn like the chrome not relevant. Couple hollow tops knock the bones out your skeleton. Own kind of measurement, getting niggas sized up. Throw your watch in the sky, homie, your time's up. Nines clutch like traffic when I got the beam. You stop at the red light if you ain't got the green. For that spot, I don't gotta rhyme. I just show you my watch and let you know it's my time to shine. Ride for mine, pop you fucking creepers. Boomerang clip on the Mac 90 squeezer. Unload heat ya, knock you out of sneakers. If the stop jam, body beating to a seizure. Frontin' like a leader, more like a diva. Hit the bing and be the one to sing like a reefer. Tina, 702 and a Leah. And I'm zone buffing on that blueberry cheeba. Got me on a leaner, slopes in the beamer. Higher than the rafters, box seats in the bleachers. Competition dreamers, Nas with the ether. Youngin' in the city taking charge like a visa. Spit lines that'll get me signed like a Libra. If not, post 9 to 5 like a meter. 24/7, no time for a breather. Reefer, enough to flood the town like Katrina.
Listen, this pussy want battle cause he seen me on headshots. But fuck rapping shit, I'm giving out headshots. Bitches loving me from headshots. So now all the little girlies give me twirlies so they head drop. A couple choppers let the lead pop. Just them the clips that's loaded with big dummies like Red Fox. Who won't run with me? Cause I'm the real rude boy without the holy tank top and the dreadlocks. Look, you fucking with a Westfield sicko. A touch money rider that was riding from the get-go. It's about $1 when you see them choppers, nigga, get low. Holla before I get this shit poppin' like Crisco. Let your strip know. Bricks are like the fifth blow. My shit chrome like the dome on Cisco. I'm in the zone, spaz out with a sick flow. Clips blow, leave him ashed out like a strip show. But fuck a strip show. Nigga, this is brick show. Here, ounce, I make him bounce like a 6'4". 5'7", but in the truck I'm like 6'4". Chevy ran Alizé, the guts is hypno. Now what you know about the cannon on the block is beef. I got the heat, I'm gonna be standing on your block. The cannon on your block, hand in hand with the rock. I'm handling the Glock, you be scrambling from shots, something big. Hit his wig, the blamer with the stock. Getting pop, then the doc's gonna be bandaged in his top. Got the snipe, 1 minute he be standing, then he drop. Couple hammers, he be rock. Leave him standing in the box. The cops on the block be scamming to get his knock. If I see this nigga eating, I'm jamming him on the spot. From the week to the weekend, I'm cooking around the clock. Chef boy, y'all bricks, I be whipping around the pot. Whipping around your block to see if you set up shot. Hop out, all black, you see the Beretta cop. I let the sting ring, you sing like Deborah Cox. On the mission, ball stacks, I'm taking whoever not. Niggas, you better stop. Is it a better not? I was going cool down, but fuck it, I'm better hot. Think about battling bricks, nigga, you better not. Better be staking your chips, I'm trying to bet a lot. Yo, who the fuck is Dose? I never ever heard of you. Don't give a fuck about you and won't hesitate to murder you. I don't ball the 40 banging all vertical. Chrome Glock, take off the top like a convertible. Nigga, who served you? Shots like turtles. Also bound, yeah, it was ghost tail when I circled. Be the case for murder one. You gon' make it murder two. And any nigga that's riding with you, they can get murdered too. Nigga, what you trying to do? I'm a ride, call now. Tell him bring the llamas through. Chop me down, Germantown, nigga. Yo, let me stop. Listen, let me stop. Let me stop. Let me stop. Let me stop, man. Listen, let me stop. I'm out of here. Listen, let me stop. Niggas can't handle dose. Yeah, I heard you handle bread. See if you can handle toast. Hit his dome when I'm spitting the fifth. Leading with a spinning top without the rope and the flick of the wrist. I'm as sick as it gets. I'm a dime with don't push it. I'm as sick as it gets. I'm a dime with these rhymes. You would be aight, but you lying in your lines. Check it. I keep my mind on my mind. If time was money, then I'm shining this prime. I'm about $1. Profits what I work with. Money's a purpose. You ain't got it, you ain't worth it. I lurk shifts
just in order to get paid right. You showing off and I'm giving niggas stage fright. And when I'm popping, I'm robbing, get my cake right. Cause with them shells, I'm on your tail like brake lights. Dose, I'm in the zone where I get it in. Ocean got me flowing, I'm blowing like an instrument. Serving up, blowing enough snow, got me shivering. Rotten dolos, so alone I be killing them. Homes, you could bring him in. Chrome, I'm delivering. Moxburg 5, knock bones out of ligaments. So many drama, my trigger banging on sparking shells. I keep a hammer for niggas thinking they hard as nails. Got it all for sale, dish it in jars. Viagra with the crack, but you getting is hard. I don't live by the law, I'm a menace to society. Moving bundles, so I'm doing numbers like the lottery. Soldiers on the side of me, strong when I gotta be. AR, cow slugs long as an Allen key. Man, I gotta be a threat, shit, I'm not fake. People's eyebrow, only time I get the rock face. I got baits by the bricks when I'm serving cane. Till I got the block flooded like a hurricane. You earn change, then I let out foe. Pack boy, y'all jam packs like a sellout show. You can tell I'll blow. Couple puffs when I get stressed. I need a flame-proof cup for a piss test. I make moves and they end up knock 'em. Cause I boil cane, got oil change like an engine problem. In the robbing, mass in the R stock. 10% tint, Crown Vic with the hard top. Push your hard block, serving up for damn stacks. Anybody plot getting popped where they stand at. I keeps the load of HK, I'ma bland that. With the heat, I'm all over beef like saran wrap. I'm on my lean jaw, puffing on the weed bong. Hikers lace, army fatigues on. No jokes in my coat with the fiends on. So I'm working raw, serving balls like ping pong. You would think I'm signing stuff, vehicle rotten tough. 74 pound top down with an olive gut. Think you eyed up, see a crew lined up. What I'ma do? I'ma bust silver 2, 5 o'clock, finish 2, shots enough to put him through a monster truck.
What you know to do? Nah, man, you know.
Listen.
Shit,
Listen. Hey, yo, I don't give a fuck who you is. So fuck who you is. Fuck what your block do and fuck where you live. Fuck who your top crew and fuck what you did. My niggas ride too. What the fuck? What it is? Fuck what the game bout. Fuck what your change bout. Fuck your old head you claim pulling that range out. Fuck what the game bout. Fuck what your name bout. Fuck the nigga that made you. Fuck the bitch you came out. Fuck what kind get you got. Fuck who the sidewall. Fuck that dirty cell. Fuck who you grind for. Fuck who your squad is. Fuck who you ride for. Cause I'm a gun and I don't give a fuck what I die for. Let the 380 shine. Fuck your baby 9. Fuck your baby brother. Fuck your baby and your baby mom. It's like the 89s. I got a crazy grind. Earning my respect. This motherfucker better pay me mine. Or I'ma split his wig when I see him. He gon' make me stake out at his gig just to see him. Grip the tech. I'm gonna run up in his crib when I see him. Leave a mess on his chest like a bed when I see him. I'm grown. I'ma treat him like a kid when I see him. Backhand. I'ma smack him in his leg when I see him. In the streets got the all black sag when I see him. Clay heat. I'ma barbecue his ribs when I see him. He a bitch. He always with his BM when I see him. I don't flash for a bitch. I'ma see him when I see him. Yo, he better hope it ain't the PM when I see him. If it is, I'ma RIP him when I see him. Make the Glock shake him. I'ma Ali him when I see him. Then the doc's gonna have to IV him when I see him. When I'm done with him, you ain't gonna wanna be him when you see him. For that rock, I'ma ODB him when I see him. I'ma GUN and I'ma let the gat rain on it. Before the order got back, bang on it. I'm like Shaq when I hang on it. I got a couple bullets with his age, his face, and his name on it. That's your man, you riding, put some change on it. Yup, they all gassed up, put the flame on it. I got the aim on him, 100 shots, clear him out. Catch the thing in his brain, take his friend, and tear it out his bricks. I ain't your average nigga to spit. I ain't a nigga talking shit because I got live. Speak what I live. Basically, I'm rapping my strip. Ruby Street, 12 to 12, Smith and Wesson. Cause I'm a hustler, but I'm really known as a G. And I got guns like the army, I be all I can be. You heard about a youngin' playing with them toys, that's me. If it's beef, I'm the chef, cause my boys are D. My boys, they depend on me. I'm the hot one, the little shorty, a buck 40. I'm the top gun, you dudes corny, I bust 40. Make the cops run, ammo like Rambo. You know the outcome.
DJ different. Right now.
I'm around. What?
It's too easy. It's too easy now. Listen.
It's easy, be real.
Ready for war, couple toasters when I'm strapping. You like a news camera, start rolling when it's action. Never slacking on the strip or the back block. Puffing on the suicide stick with my hat cocked. The gas stocked in the streets, I be worn out. I spill heat and kill beef like a slaughterhouse. That 40 bout, raining shots to your head soak. With lead spilling out the shell like air yolk. You try testing me, handle that like a street name. Yeah, I address the beef. Drive-bys ain't impressing me. I'm bringing out the steel, lift him out his will like ejection seats. Whoa, job B, rising heat, letting birds bake, putting more crack on the streets than an earthquake. I earn cake, get them dollars I'm into. Rhyme so I shine till I'm signed like a symbol. Shot to that hypno, puffing on that endo. God do tropical bubble gum in that crypto. High with my brim low, riding in that tempo. Palm on the clutch, I'm reclined like it's limbo. Watch you with the federals, you die when them things blow. Tech get him stretched like the size of a limo. Ride, I'ma ride, toss 5 at your whip, yo. Hit him up, knock him through the side of the window. Damn. And there's no more life for him. No, the gangster life wasn't right for him. No, and he shouldn't have got hype with him. A good lady should have been a wife for him. Yeah, now he about to see the light again. Homies with his face on their teeth, pouring Heineken. Moving on, flogging his life again. Fresh white tee, only throwback to Iversons. Yeah, I like the floss cause I like to spin. No. I like the floss cause I like to sin. Do dirt, got more strikes than a tiger skin. Niggas plotting on my shine again, but getting beat overdose. If they stuff they throat with double G's and a couple other Vikings, you better try to prevail. Letting off the AR-7 thing with them caliber shells. Skate off, I ain't trying to hit jail. And never drop dimes as well. I hate snitching so much I get you rocked just for wearing a watch. Cause they say only time could tell. I'm an AMPM rider. Go get a monster. Bring the mox pump, automatic and revolver. Kick like soccer, spit like saliva. Give him K-shots, turn his ribs into pasta. 12-12 grinder, Philly with them dollars. Whipping and flipping it till I'm sitting in Bahamas. Need some, I got you. Get cheese for the products. With all eyes on me, like binoculars. All black mafia, blood gang mobster. 100 round K on my lap, sipping vodka. Shots like a doctor. I is a roster. In that Tenant Carrera, patrolling with them visors. If you a rider, then boy, I'm a driver. Chopper, knock 4 doors off a monster. Fucking with fire, but rather getting flame for it. Leave his whole block wetter than a rainforest. Cocaine course, weed in my verses. Only make moves if it leads to a purpose. Like money, money, all about $1, bitch. I'm about to take him back to school like a scholarship. And if you drawing, you be gone when I cock the shit. RPG, shit long than a hockey stick. Boy, don't stay hard, even when I make balls. Showing up to take off, knowing that the K-Lord. Throw him over 8 cars, watch like 8 yards. 8 longs to 8 large, sister with the 8 yard. Put him in the box 6 deep in the graveyard. Headless scraped off, flipping the 8 ball. White like Adolf, try to see keys and turn cop in the Ray Charles. Watch you say, dog, move like RJ, dip like JR. I don't just break jaws, head to the break off. Man with a wide up mark in the face guard. Listen, let me find out this nigga said my name out his mouth. So the guy, my mom got his brains to be out. Twin shot it. Come on, dude. No more. No more.
Come on, it's no, you gotta do
He know what it is. The camera see what it is. He know what it is.
That's right. Dog, respect him. Let him get his last rap.
come on, this shit is fire, yo. Get that, you know what I'm saying?
All right, give me my last rap. Give me my last rap.
He quit.
It's a rap.
Let him rap. No, what's up? No, wait.
Let me find out this nigga said my name out his mouth. So the guy, my mom got his brains to be out. Twin shotty, double barrel, bang in his mouth. Split his wig wide open, let it rain in his scalp. I'ma show this nigga what this game is about. How to get it for what it's worth, get some change and be out. I'm a hustler, still moving cane in the drought. 1,000 ounces what my name is about. Bring him out, those want what? I got heat, I buck pounds. Go ahead, jump up and get beat the fuck down. I got the ratchet on me, 40 oldie man ago. Aim it at his cabbage, homie, let that shit bladder for him. Then I rape his mom for every nickel and dime. So when it's time, she ain't got the change to get the casket for him. I'll bite you alive, you and your rapping homies. From the drive called nah, he put a stack up on me. I ain't chirping, you being the bump. I gotta eat on the streets even if it's a crumb. Loose to me bricks, if you wanna strip, then them smokers will come. But fuck that, man, I'm toting my gun. I gotta get that cash so my pop can be proud of the son. I did it by popping shells that was hot as the sun. To get cream, I was 16, out on the run. Graveyard shift, sticking to the strip like gum. Cause I'm a hustler. I started out bagging coke, then the block flooded. The fiends got a cap on boats. And I'm throwing numbers, and these niggas think it's a joke. Shit, a couple hundreds a day, these niggas is broke. All these dudes talking about how they up in the game. Be them same niggas getting packs, fucking up change. Had to do whatever for cheese, skirting them things. My aim 100%, like I work at the range. When I spit, niggas say it's a shame they hate on us. In this game, I killed more niggas than slave owners. corners. I laid corners, James squads, made onions, put niggas on their backs for stacks and paid youngins. I'm brave, youngin. Some people say I'm out of pocket, but I'm a thug. You just a plug without the socket. Steamy, check the temperature. I'm spitting hot shit. Flow good, even the red light couldn't stop it. It's easy for niggas to get murked these days, so I keep the eagle tucked under the shirt these days. It's beef, whatever, whoever you with, they can get it too. Best believe right after they hit, I'ma spit at you. 10 shells left in the clip, put you in critical. Ain't no I in the team, but I hit individuals. If you run in your mouth, I run up in your living room. So tell your peeps that bricks is coming to deliver to them. It's official, I'm a man of my word. Play the ref and blow the whistle, cause the game is superb, chump. A killer never keep his truly reserved. The fifth cop with 6 shots, like Julius Erb, chump. Know what it is when you hit the R double. Niggas will pop your hood like you having car trouble. Ruby and Race, man, that's where all the stars bubble. And we never get in touch, cause we at a far level. Look, I'm from a block where it go down there. Where all the thugs get their guns and come flow down there. Trust me, Dose, you don't wanna come around there. Especially if you a bitch and you ain't gonna clap. Listen, the Desert Eagle, yeah, I'm cocking it back. On the streets, I'm like sandals, I gotta be strapped. And my gun closet look like a variety pack. Train my dogs like watch them, they quick to attack. Bricks, quick to grist and crack and burn the block. Listen, I'm in the game cause I earned my spot. And I'ma spit forever till I got the urge to stop. Cause my bars be nice and tight like Virgin Cop.
Woo! All right, one more. That's it?
I got you one more. I got you one more. I got
You went first. One more round? All right. Go ahead, one more round now.
You ready?
You trying to quit? You trying to keep him rapping and shit? You trying to say you trying to go one more round?
It's a rap though.
He don't quit.